Hi, I'm Kristen. This is Windmills of My Hair. And today I'm going to show you how I created this look that Maya Henry wanted for her party. And it was like I believe it was like a Christmas party, but I don't know for sure. She did have like a really long gown that she was wearing. It was so beautiful. And it was out here in Los Angeles, and she had a hairstyle she wanted to do, and we created it. And I'm going to show you in this video exactly what I did to create that look. So for this look, I used elastics, the small little white ones, the thick coated ones. I used a 3/4 cone curling iron, and yeah, and basically it was a lot of sectioning out the pieces that we wanted to take out and making sure that the bun was high enough so that the front curls would show. And it was a very loose, messy look. You know, it was contained, but it was definitely not slick or too, together. I guess that's probably my favorite look because, I mean, obviously I like things freer. Yeah, so she looked amazing and was very happy when we were done. And first I'm gonna get out all the things I used and we'll just take a look at those. Yeah, and talk about why I did certain things that I did to make sure that the look would stay in. One thing about Maya's hair it is very thick, very lustrous, very beautiful. It has a wave, and I knew it would be a lot to contain. Even though it's not like a sleek look, it still needs to be contained, and definitely, in a way that's not showing a lot of clips or pins. And that can be hard to do because you're doing a look that looks loose, so there has to be some give there, some play. So to keep it staying in, you have to use certain techniques, and I use the ones that I like, and I'm going to show you that next. So the first thing I did was pull my hair up into a pony up there. I'm sorry you missed that. I missed filming that. It's just the top of the ear parting so that you have two sections of hair. And again, it's a loose look. So I'm gonna have like my little pieces. And even this is gonna be a little bit kind of loose. My hair, she has like shorter pieces in the front here. Mine are definitely longer. So it's a little bit more difficult to create a look where it's like totally piled up there. So what I'm gonna do is simplify it by braiding this section in the top bunny here. Braid, braid, braid. And then stop like around here. Okay? And that's what we're gonna do right here, and make sure that it wraps around here really well. And this is gonna come forward. Using this trick to actually get rid of the bulk of her hair because, like mine, I mean, hers is even thicker than mine, and I used a braid in the back here. In that back section, I made a braid. So I'm leaving the ponytail free, but I took this section from the ponytail and braided it. And this is like a little hair hack for anybody doing hair that you just feel like your hair's out of control, etc., etc. And believe me, this is for people especially who have a lot of hair. See, I still left out, I think, too much, but I'm just going to, again, put the ends towards the front. But I wrapped the plain hair, not around the braided hair, so it's good. You take like a another section, because you have tons of sections if you have like a lot of hair. You have like a lot to do stuff with. So there's that, and I'll fasten that down, and then I'm going to do another one of those bun ties right here.